Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Technically Wrong. Today in our video we are going to make some amazing experiment and we will share this experiment with you as you can try it in your home. For this video we will need hydrogen peroxide. It's a 10% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Next thing is potassium permanganate. It's potassium permanganate. Then we will need full cream milk powder. Another thing, the last thing is which is used for acidity treatment. For this experiment we will need a plastic cup. I will get one. It's a simple plastic cup. Now let's start the video. You can watch a amazing experiment. Just do not skip the video. Watch it fully. We will pour some hydrogen peroxide in the glass. Let's do it. Be careful with hydrogen peroxide because this can be dangerous for you. Do not use it near fire. It's hydrogen peroxide. Now we will add some potassium permanganate in the liquid. It's potassium permanganate. Let's pour this powder in hydrogen peroxide and let's see what happens. Okay, we are done. Let's mix it well. This mixture is hot, it's getting hot, and the color is dark red as you can see. Okay, now let's add some full cream milk powder in this. Let's add it. Now mix it very well. So hot, and the color has been changed. It's faded away. Now it's looking like black, not red. The actual color has gone and the liquid is hot. Okay, but this is not the final result because we have one ingredient left, which is we have to add some in this liquid and let's see what happened. Now it's the final stage. Do not skip the video. Let's see what happened. Okay, let's pour it and let's see what happened. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let's mix it. making so much foam, as you can see. At first the liquid was very hot, but now it's cold. It's so cool, man. It's so cool. But the color is not good. I don't like this color actually. I was joking. But the upper side of liquid is cold, but the lower side of the liquid is not cold, it's hot. It's amazing, man. The reaction looks like it is finished, as you can see. But do not try this at home, because the mixture of hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate could be dangerous. Do not do it at any place, especially near fires. Okay, so this was today's experiment or today's video. Like our video, comment on our video which video you want to watch in future. We will try our best. Subscribe our channel, stay with us, keep supporting us. Thank you very much.